Hi, in today's video I want to share with you how to create a shared vision with your stakeholders, and I'm also going to share my insights that I've gained on 3 super exciting days at the Australian Change Days 2024, where I played, I practiced, and I gained new insights from my colleagues all around Australia and all around the world actually. So in a recent video over here I have explained that I'm playing around this year with a new change management and project management methodology that's quite holistic and inspired by the ancient Noongar First Nations wisdom here in Australia. And I've explained the project wheel in there, and in the first stage of the project wheel we are doing a phase that's called dreaming or initiating our projects, and this is really critical for getting all the buy-in of your stakeholders. So in our eco-innovation workshop on the Australian Change Days, Sam and myself, we ran a dream circle, which is that project initiation tool or technique that can be used in order to align your stakeholders on a common vision. I want to share with you how we did that in today's video, and I'm also going to share the insights and the shared vision that we've created in our workshop. So first of all, if you want to run a dream circle, you need a couple of different things. You need an initiator, that's the person that is bringing the initial individual dream to the table. So in our case with the eco-innovation workshop, that was all about breaking out of common industry norms and status quo and also our industry rules, and drive forward a project that extends the life cycle of one resource. So in this case we've got this infinity loop here that turns the can into a new star product, whatever that may be. And that was the individual stream that we shared by the initiator. And then we also have invited a dream team. That's our second thing that we need to create a dream circle or initiation with this particular technique. The dream team are the people that are your key stakeholders that need to buy into that vision, that need to really want to say, yes, I'm so glad I promoted this particular project and I'm sponsoring it from the bottom of my heart. We also need to have a note taker in our dream circle, and that is the person that's going to write down each individual's name and also the shared dream element that they are sharing as we are going around the circle. Then you need a talking piece. This is in my case a little wood Superman doll that my child has done, but it can be whatever, a stick or something of significance that has passed around. And as we are sharing our dreams, the talking piece really gives the person that's holding the talking piece the full attention, and everyone else is just listening with an open will and an open heart rather than listening to respond or to judge what has been shared. And then you do a little inquiry, a deep inquiry, so that people can really reflect on the initial dream that's been shared and ask themselves, what is it that needs to be part of this project that would make me feel like 100% invested in this project? Because really, when you have a shared vision, when it is a shared dream rather than an individual one, we want to get 100% of the project realized, no compromises. So we need to make sure that everyone in the dream team is 100% committed and really feels like this is something they want to bring to life. To facilitate the deep inquiry, we use a mindfulness technique that is called Pinakari, and I'm explaining how that's been run in another video over here. Okay, so what we did, we had a full house in our virtual workshop, and obviously in virtual settings it is a little bit trickier to realize things like talking piece or the round robin style, as you're not sitting in a circle or something like that. But we just let everyone pick their own talking piece and use the hand gestures to go around the room. And we've actually enriched the vision and the dream so much more through this activity. So what we can see here is that a person said, for me, for this project to be 100% relevant and really make me feel like, yes, I'm so glad I'm part of it, it's important that when we have a dream team, each and everyone in that dream team is equally passionate and equally involved and equally lifting and contributing towards the outcome. So it's not some people just cruising along and others doing the hard work. And an element was that it needs to be something that we can do in our own community. It is something that I can do right here in front of me rather than unrelated to or irrelevant to my day-to-day life and work. Another person said the process of this project needs to be something where I feel like it's okay to experiment, to fail, try different ideas, maybe even slip up and then get up again, so we find a better solution or how things can fit together better over here in the process. So it's also fun to do this, a bit of a journey. Another dreamer actually contributed that this project should really shift the dial, not throughout just the project timeline when we are having an attention to it, but also way beyond the project timeline. And as part of shifting the dial, it was a measure of success that really at least one person's life gets positively changed or influenced through this. And this shared vision board now brings all of the different aspects of our shared vision and dream together, and it gives us a new horizon or a new hope down here that we are able through this eco-innovation project to really extend the lifetime of one resource whilst accomplishing all of these added elements to our project vision as well. I particularly really like the process of doing this shared vision in a creative way like that, and I also found that the round robin style with the talking piece really included the more introverted or quieter people within a team well, so it felt more balanced than the really extroverted dreamers or the extroverted innovators just speaking and the others kind of thinking their own thoughts and not bringing them to the table. I also felt a lot more energized when we read out the vision statement in the end in the past tense as if it's already happened, and felt that there was a lot more ownership of the entire team within the project initiation. So this is quite different to your traditional project initiation workshop where you maybe brainstorm with a couple of post-it notes on a whiteboard and where you can miss some of the more subtler voices and contributions that people can bring to the team. I hope that this video has been beneficial for you, that you can try this out at your workplace, and I would love to hear how you went. So tell me in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.